today, let's start with chapter number 5, Gulliver. Gulliver Travel by Jonathan Swift is an interesting book of adventure. जो Gulliver है, he was a surgeon by profession. He loved adventures. जो adventures उन्हें बहुत पसंद थे. The open sea always lured him, and he never missed an opportunity to go out on the world. और वो कभी भी जो opportunity होती थी voyage पे जाने की कभी miss नहीं करता. Gulliver had made many voyages of the sea और उन्होंने बहुत सारे uncommon situation को भी क्या करा है, face करा है. Once during such an adventurous was a ship caught in a storm और वो sank. ठीक है, वो storm में डूब गया, वो डूब गई. ठीक है, Gulliver was miraculously saved when he got hold of land and reached a shore of unknown island. Here he extracted of his experience. क्योंकि अपना experience बताता है कि वहाँ क्या हुआ था. Gulliver क्या थे, sailor थे. He was a strong and healthy young man. He was fond of adventure. He loved the sea and never missed an opportunity. उनको sea बहुत पसंद था और कभी भी उन्होंने जो opportunity होती थी voyage की वो छोड़ी नहीं. ठीक है. Quite often he went on sailing of his little ship. He made many voyages across the sea and saw many new countries. He used people about many new things of which nobody had even heard. लोगों को वो चीजें बताते थे जो कभी लोगों ने सुनी ही नहीं थी. Once he was in such a voyage of his little ship, the ship calm and everything was going smooth, and the sailors were happy thinking that this time they would soon reach their destination. And they were thoroughly enjoying the journey. और वो बहुत खुश थे कि हम अपनी जर्नी को अच्छे से एंजॉय कर रहे थे. ठीक है, अच्छी जर्नी चल रही थी. उनको ये भी था कि हम जल्दी से पहुंच जाए. There was thoroughly enjoying the journey across the sea when suddenly arose a great storm. The ship lost in a way and drifted toward an unknown direction. फिर एक बहुत storm आती है और जो ship होती है वो lost हो जाती है और वो drift हो जाती है towards the unknown direction. All the sailors were panicked and did not know what to do. After some time, the ship sank with went down and all the sailors into the sea. क्या हुआ, फिर धीरे धीरे वो गई, sank हो गई, डूब गई और sailor भी जाकर डूब गई. But Gulliver was lucky. He got hold of a wooden plank and clung to it. Days went by. He drifted along the waves. Gulliver was exhausted and soon he became sense. ठीक है, वो exhaust क्योंकि wood plank उसने पकड़ लिया तो उस पर वो रह गए थे और वो बहुत exhausted हुआ. फिर वो धीरे धीरे sense में आए and he could not remember for how long he floated on water. At last the plank reached a beautiful island and settled on the beach. और वो जो plank था वो एक beautiful island पे पहुंच गया और एक beach के आसपास क्या हो गया, settle हो गया. When he woke up, he found himself surrounded by strange men and women, hardly 6 inches in height. फिर वो देखता अपने आसपास, जब वहाँ पहुंच जाता है कि बहुत सारे लोग उसके आसपास क्या कर रहे हैं, खड़े हैं. And he tried to get up, he could not. He was imprisoned. He grabbed his arms, his whole body was tied up with a but strong strings. ठीक है, तो strong strings से क्या था, वो tight था. The tiny men and women standing around him were staring at him with great astonishment. Some of them even climbed up on his body and moved around. कि कुछ climb भी करे, कुछ move भी करे. One of them was more desperate. He came out his face and tried to poke his spear into his throat. Gulliver gave a loud scream and with one strong jerk released one of his hand. He caught the man and threw him away. बस पकड़ा उसको फेंक दिया. ठीक है. And the other way was in panic. But soon they returned a great number and standing at a distance they began to shoot arrows at him. और वो arrow मारने लगे उसको. The needle-like arrow pierced him like a thorn. Gulliver felt great pain and also he did not move. देखो उसको बहुत पेन हुआ तो इसलिए वो मूव भी नहीं कर पा रहा. He was feeling very hungry, so he brought his hand near the mouth and signaled for something to eat. He was happy to see tiny men understood. Some of them ran away and returned soon plenty of bread and other eaters. बहुत सारे लोग breads लेके आए, कुछ eatables लेके आए. They placed ladders against the body and climbed up, but they gave him a leaves of bread to eat. Gulliver ate many loaves at time and drank 2 droneful of wine and he sleep again. Wine पीता है तो दोबारा से सो जाता है. When he woke up, he found himself in a carriage driven by 1,500 of their best horses. The carriage reached to a big ground in front of royal palace where the king along with his courtiers was waiting for him. The king also frightened to see his huge size, but when he saw Gulliver was not about to harm them, he ordered his release. उन्होंने उसका release order कर दिया. Gulliver stayed there happily for many days. The king appointed 6 teachers for him to teach the language of the island. Then one day, the king called him. He told him that the island was of great trouble. From her parents, he is riding up Blasphus, the neighboring island. ठीक है, वो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब क्या है, ट्रबल में है. They often made the island and forcibly took away their belongings. They requested Gulliver to help them. He also promised to set him free if he could get them rid of Blefuscu, अगर वो उनसे बचा लेगा तो उसको वो फ्री कर दे, क्योंकि वो उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान. Gulliver promised to help him and went to the sea with some hooks and strong threads. ठीक है, उसने प्रॉमिस करा, हाँ मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगा, और वो हुक्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग थ्रेड्स को लेकर चला जाता है. When the pirate ship came, he dealt with them quite easily. He could sink a ship with one finger. The pirates thought him to be a giant, and so they fled away back. उनको लगा ही जेंट है, तो वो एकदम से क्या करेगा, डर के मारे, पैनिक के मारे भाग जाते हैं. Gulliver tied the ship with the hooks and threads he had bought and returned to the island. वो की जो शिप्स वगैरह होते थे उनको हुक से टाई कर दी इसमें, वो दोबारा आइलैंड चला जाता है. When the people saw him returning with the ships, they shouted with joy. The king was also very happy. His victory was celebrated through the island, and he was given a great reception. ठीक है, वो सब बहुत खुश हुए कि हम जीत गए, और उसको बहुत अच्छा रिसेप्शन दिया. Little man gave him beautiful and precious gift. The king also announced to set him up free as he was already promised. और किंग ने भी अनाउंस करा कि अब तुम फ्री हो, वो ऑलरेडी उसको बोल दिया गया था. Now Gulliver also wanted to return home. The king ordered a large ship from him. The people did not want to leave their island, They wanted him to stay and protect them from the enemy. But Gulliver insisted, उसने मना कर दिया, उसे कहा कि मुझे घर जाना है. Thus the Gulliver returned home with many tiny gifts by the Leptians. At first people did not believe the story, but when he showed them tiny gifts he had received, they had to believe. पहले लोगों ने बिलीव नहीं करा, लेकिन जब उसने दिखाया जो उसको गिफ्ट्स वगैरह मिले थे, उसके बाद क्या करा, सबने इसको बिलीव. ठीक है, होप यू अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.